Hey everybody, Ronaldo Hoffman here, Gear It First. I actually want to show you this really cool lens that I just got on Amazon. Link in the description below. This one clips to your iPhone, and it can work with the case, but it works even better, meaning you don't see any vignetting at all without the case. So if you have the case, you just have to have it on completely right, or otherwise it doesn't, if you don't have it aligned right, you may see a little bit of vignette. It does come in a really nice case, and it does have caps for each side. I thought it was actually kind of unique that it has this light right here. You can actually see it's in two different color temperatures. So you have the cool white, bright, cool white, dim, warm white, white, warm white, dim, warm white, bright, excuse me, and then both. But what's really cool is, if you look here, it's divided. So you get a wide angle lens, and then you also have the macro lens. So there it is, wide angle and then macro, and it is a reverse thread. So right now, this is my iPhone, you know, as wide as possible without the lens. And this is it with the lens. The difference is astounding. What's great is that it doesn't distort. If you can see as I move to the edges, you don't get a lot of barrel distortion that you would normally see with a lot of the lenses, especially with cheap iPhone lenses. You get some horrible distortion. The macro lens is pretty dope. So this is again all the way zoomed out. We can see that it's the sharpest right around the 0.6 mark on this 1 milliliter syringe. So I'm going to go ahead and put this guy in. And now you can see that with the macro lens, this is super sharp. Let's see how close I can get to it. Let's see what I mean. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. So right there is where it gets blurry, so right there is pretty good. Now what happens if I zoom in on the actual iPhone, if I switch to the second lens? There it is right there. Alright, so let's go and turn off the lights. Okay, Google, turn off the hallway lights. So now it's completely dark. Let's go ahead and turn this on here. So that's with the cool white at bright, cool white at dim, warm white at dim, and both. Again, it comes in a really nice case, little carry bag and everything. Totally worth the money, especially for the quality that you get. I'm going to go out there and just get some videos of the chickens and everything so you can see overall what the footage looks like, and you guys can make a decision for yourself. Now, this is unedited footage. Everything you've seen, I have not touched, have not edited, color graded, anything at all. Any questions, whatever, leave them in the comment below. Ronaldo Hoffman, Gear It First. That's Judge Broody. That's Lindsay Lohan. Feather Locklear. That's Matrishka. She's a Russian Orlov, but she lost an eye. So now we call her Feathery Wop. Look at the colors on this lens. It does not compromise any of the colors. And just this wide angle is just beautiful. Hi, Willow. Again, just to give you guys an idea, this is with the lens, without the lens, with the lens. There we go. I got to adjust it up a little bit. And without the lens. And I've got a pretty thick case on mine too. I definitely recommend, you know, when you're looking at a lens like this, you may want to take out your case or get a thinner case. So hopefully that helps, guys. Thanks for watching.